Welcome back. Hunger and poverty development in international relations. Lecture outlines introduction, overview, significance, types, causes, impacts, challenges, solutions, examples, world action, suffering countries, world action, conclusion. So let's start from introduction, overview. Poverty, hunger, and development are critical global issues that are deeply interconnected. Interesting one often impacts the others, making a comprehensive approach essential. Importance: these issues affect millions of people worldwide, influencing health, economic stability, overall quality of life. Tackling them is crucial for achieving global well-being and sustainable development. Poverty definition: poverty is the state of having insufficient income or resources to meet basic needs such as food, shelter, and health care. Examples: global poverty line. The World Bank defined extreme poverty as living on less than $1.90 a day. This measure helps identify and target the most vulnerable populations. In sub-Saharan Africa, many people live below the poverty line due to factors like high unemployment rates, lack of access to quality education, and political instability. Causes: unemployment. Lack of job opportunities can trap individuals and families in poverty. Lack of education. Without education, people have fewer opportunities to secure well-paying jobs. Social inequality, discrimination, and unequal access to resources can perpetuate poverty. Here we have some solutions for poverty. Social welfare programs. Government can provide financial assistance, health care, and house support to those in need. Economic development initiatives. Investing in infrastructure, small business, and job creation can stimulate economic growth. Education reforms. Improving access to quality education can empower individuals to break the cycle of poverty. Hunger. Hunger includes the physical sensation of needing food and chronic undernourishment, which can lead to severe health issues. Example includes statistics. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, nearly 690 million people were nourished in 2019. This highlights the global scale of problem. Case study: Yemen faces severe hunger due to ongoing conflicts, economic collapse, and that restricts access to food and humanitarian aid. Causes: poverty. People live in poverty often cannot afford enough food. Conflicts, wars, and conflicts food, disrupt food production and distribution. Climate change, extreme weather events like drought and floods can destroy crops and reduce food availability. Solution: food aid programs. Organizations like World Food Program provide emergency food assistance to those in need. Nutrition initiatives program that focuses on providing essential nutrients to vulnerable population, especially children and pregnant women. Support for sustainable agriculture, promoting practices that increase food production while protecting the environment. Development definition: development involves improving the economic, social, and political conditions of a country or region to enhance the quality of life for its citizens. For example, Sustainable Development Goals, a set of 19 global goals established by the United Nations to promote sustainable development by 2030. These goals address various aspects of development, including poverty, hunger, health, education, and environmental sustainability. Case study: Rwanda's remarkable recovery and growth after the 1994 genocide through investments in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Ramadan's has significantly reduced poverty and improving life standards. Components: economic growth, increasing the economic output and economic level of a country, reducing inequality. Ensure that the benefit of economic growth are distributed fairly among all segments of society. Access to essential services, providing health care, education, clean water, and sanitation to all citizens. And sanitations to all citizens. Strategies: infrastructure projects, building roads, bridges, schools, and hospitals to support economic activities and improving life conditions. Healthcare improvements, expanding access to medical services and improving health outcomes. Educational reforms, enhancing the quality and access of education to empower individuals and promote economic development. Examples include India's Digital India initiative, which aims to improve digital infrastructure and increase internet access, thereby boosting economic opportunities and development. And lastly, we have conclusion, which is very important for e-lecture. Summary: addressing poverty, hunger, and development requires a holistic approach that considers the root cause and interconnected nature of these issues. Effective solutions involve international cooperation, comprehensive policies, and sustainable practices. Call to action: emphasize the importance of continued effort and collaboration among governments, organizations, and individuals to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. So this is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.